At TTLC Roofing, we understand that a clean job site is essential to delivering exceptional service and ensuring customer satisfaction. With our unwavering commitment to excellence, we go the extra mile to keep your property clean and protected throughout the roofing process. When it comes to safeguarding your landscape and plants, we take every precaution. Our experienced team utilizes nets and boards to cover and shield your precious vegetation, ensuring that no harm comes to your beautiful surroundings. We believe that attention to detail is paramount, which is why we take pride in our meticulous cleanup process. As we work, our dedicated team diligently cleans up after themselves, leaving no trace behind. We understand the importance of never missing a single nail, ensuring the safety of your property and loved ones. But it doesn't end there. Our commitment to excellence extends beyond the physical work itself. Our project managers are always on site, overseeing the entire roofing project and ensuring quality control measures are upheld. Our project managers act as the bridge between our team and you, our valued customer. They are there to address any concerns, answer questions, and make certain that the job is executed to the highest standards. At TTLC Roofing, we understand that your home is more than just a structure. It's your sanctuary, and we treat it with the utmost respect it deserves. We are committed to not only delivering exceptional roofing services, but also preserving the beauty and integrity of your property. When you choose TTLC Roofing, you're choosing a partner who values cleanliness, precision, and customer satisfaction. We take pride in our ability to keep the job site clean, ensuring a smooth and stress-free experience for you. TTLC Roofing, where quality craftsmanship meets unmatched professionalism. Trust us to protect your home while we define expectations.